Continuing on with management characteristics, management does not mean ownership. All owners can be managers, but not all managers are owners. Halimbawa, sa mga fast food chains, yung pinapatawag natin mga managers kapag ka magrereklamo tayo, hindi naman talaga sila necessarily yung may-ari ng fast food chain. So, sila ay tagapangalaga lang. Management means stewardship, caretaker, pinagkakatiwalaan o katiwala nung businesses or nung organization. But they lead people, they decide on certain matters, but not necessarily sila yung may-ari. Kaya sinabing not necessarily ownership. But don't get me wrong, ang mga owners ng company or organization are considered managers. Okay? Management also encompasses profit and non-profit organizations. So hindi lang siya para sa mga kumikitang mga negosyo. Even the charity organizations, yung mga schools, okay, katulad ng One Cainta College, di ba? Wala naman kayong binayarang tuition doon. Sabihin hindi siya kumikita. Yet there is a management, there is an administrative management working on the school para mag-operate yung school. Management is intangible. Walang konkretong itsura or picture. But you can sense that there is management at makikita mo may management or manageable kapag ka maganda yung naging result. Management also entails work professionalism and maximum participation. Ibig sabihin, lahat na nagtatrabaho doon needs skills, needs credentials, needs attitudes, and knowledge on the job para maayos yung sistema. So that's how management works. And of course, it also entails maximum participation not only with the employers, not only with the owners, but also with the employees. Management is not stagnant. Once na naging stagnant ang management, doon nagsisimula ang downfall ng isang organization. The management should be innovative and dynamic in approach so that they can come up with the changing times of the society, of technology, political climate, social climate, and others. So these are the management characteristics. Now, maraming nabuong mga theory paano ba nabubuo ang isang management. One of the most prominent dito sa Pilipinas is the bureaucratic management theory. We can see that in our government, di ba? We have Bureau of Jail Management. We also have the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. We also have the Bureau of Internal Revenue, yung nagkokolekta ng taxes natin. And even sa munisipyo natin, it is a bureau. Paano natin malalaman? Ang principle ng bureaucratic management, merong sunod-sunod na positions na merong chain of command para ma-execute ang isang goal, okay, or isang plano. Ano-ano yung mga characteristics or elements ng bureaucratic management theory? First is to have an authority hierarchy. Ibig sabihin, merong head, may assistant, yung assistant may assistant, at sunod-sunod. Example, Mayor Kit Nieto, and then the vice mayor, and then the sangguniang barangay, sangguniang bayan, sorry. And mga people under them hanggang sa pinaka mababang posisyon. So it entails hierarchy. Next, formal rules and regulations. So may set of rules, may sets of batas and company policies para masabing isang bureau ang isang management. Okay? Sa bureaucratic, there is also a division of labor. Ibig sabihin, ito nakatoka sa one department, ito sa other department, ito sa isang unit, ito sa kabilang unit. Let's say sa OCC, meron sa registration, sa admission, meron sa faculty, meron sa library, meron division of labor. We have career orientation, impersonality, ibig sabihin dapat hindi bias, and merong formal selection process. Okay? And that's how bureaucratic management works.